I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today's video is going to be about some new shoes that I received. My client let me know about this brand that I have never heard of in my life. I'm going to post the name right here so you can see what the name of it is. When I say I never heard of these shoes, and once I Googled it, they just kept popping up and kept popping up. So I wound up purchasing some. She let me know she has plantar fascia. I might not pronounce it right, but I'm gonna put the name of it in the video description box. It is a foot condition from standing on concrete for long periods of time, or just standing up, or just injuries. It's all kind of ways that you can be able to get that. And I got it one time after I got my plantar wart PK. Y'all know it's also a callus. They're not for sure what it is, but once I got that cut off on my foot, I had it for at least about a week. So I know exactly what that is. But she let me know also, since I have a plantar wart / KP / callus, because they're not for sure what it is, I should buy the shoes. So I bought the shoes. Again, I am going to put the name of the company in the video description box. I am about to open up this box. This is going to be my first time opening it up with you guys, because I know there's people out there that is going through foot pain, or if you stand for long periods of time, you're trying to find a shoe that is comfortable. I most definitely wanted to show it to you guys. So let's go ahead and get it open, okay? And guys, if you have tried this brand, tell us in the video description box of how you like them and who told you about them and which ones do you have, because it's not really a lot of them, but it's a few, okay? Okay, so here is the box. It was not hard to get out, thank God, because you know every time I get something, it's hard to get out. Here is the box. It's very, very lightweight, and this is going to be my first time seeing these, so let's go ahead and open them up. Got a nice little, cute little tissue to cover it up. Hey guys, let's put this down here. Here they are. Y'all know I got a Croc collection. She said they are better than Crocs. So I'm going to include a video of the Croc collection too, so you can see my little Croc collection that I got. When I say, guys, those are super comfortable to do hair in. But like I said, she was just telling me these are specifically made for when you're having foot pain. So I wanted to get these. Let's see. Again, here is the thing. It says it got foam. How you undo it? Oh, wow, that's neat. You know what, son, you have like a string holding it apart together. Nothing's holding it together. It's just sticky. Look, and you just pull it apart. Now that was neat. That was super, super neat. Okay, it has like little foam inside of it too. So let's go ahead and put them on. Okay, let's see, guys. See if they comfortable. Oh my God. Oh my God. When I say these is so freaking comfortable. Oh my God. You know one thing though I wish it did have though, the way that Crocs have it, I wish it had like a little thing to keep your foot on. You know how it had like a little band in the back, but when I say these are so comfortable, I'm going to wear them around even more. Oh, they like walking on pillows. Like when I say they are so freaking comfortable. And I don't know if you're supposed to wear socks with them or if you're not supposed to wear socks with them, but I'm going to play around with these guys. I am liking it. Like I said, I really, really, really would love them if they had like the little, take on my Crocs, if they had like the little thing in the back. That would be so amazing. But since they don't, I don't even wear my Crocs or none of my shoes that I do hair in, because I got a home salon. I don't wear them outside. So this is just going to be standing up when you're doing braids and when you're doing locks and different things like that. Your feet hurt something serious. I am really liking this. And they got nice traction on them too. So I'm going to say most definitely these are an A+. An A+. Can't wait to try them. Once I wear them for a couple of, probably about a month or so, I'll let you guys know how I like them. But I already know I'm going to like them. They feel so comfortable. When I say this is all the foam and... all right, guys, I give this a, like I said, I give this a thumbs up. So get it. If you got it, let me know, guys, how you like them. Okay, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, guys. Bye. And I have so many videos out. Don't forget to check those out as well. Bye, guys.